How do you know your project actually made a difference and not just a good impression? Impact indicators are specific metrics we use to measure the outcomes or effects of a project, policy, or a piece of research. Indicators can be quantitative, like the number of people reached or percentage of changes to health outcomes, or qualitative, such as shifts in attitudes, perceptions, or behaviour. They're used across sectors. In health, indicators might include reduced hospital admissions. In education, it could be improved attendance or student confidence. And in policy, think about legislation influenced by research findings. They give us the evidence we need to improve practice, secure funding, and report to stakeholders. Imagine a mental health outreach program. The quantitative indicators could be 2,000 people accessed the services. The qualitative indicators could be how participants report feeling more supported and less isolated. And the policy impact could be findings have informed a new local funding initiative. That's how indicators translate a good idea into a proven impact. So when you hear the term impact indicators, remember this. They're not just numbers on a report. They're how we know change is real and not just assumed. The details matter and the indicators show us that detail. If you found this useful, please share this video and remember you can visit our website for more resources on research impact. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next Tuesday.